US dollar index has behaved as explained in the previous week analysis, where the price returned back up, testing 104.22 as the next resistance, acting previously as a support and fall down. And the price has done just that. After the price has made a breakout to the upside, we can see it here with these candles, the price continued to rise in value and then retraced back down, but the Friday candle has tried to make again another attempt to break above 104.22. On the weekly time frame, this looks like this. After the price has made a breakout to the downside, we can see some kind of a bullish attempt to return back up to the 104.22, and then the price has bouncing from there. So currently for this weekly time frame, this is also a very important level that the price needs to break to the upside to see it here, to see it moving again to the higher levels. But let's see how this also looks on the monthly. On the monthly time frame, we can see after the price has made a breakout to the downside, the price has broke this one, which is a very important level, 104.22. The price has returned back up, testing the previous support, now acting as a resistance. And if the price stays here, it turns back down, this will be a confirmed bearish breakout to the downside. But we have 3 more weeks until this candle closes and confirms this bearish breakout as a valid one. But also what can happen, the price could return back up, going above 104.22 and making this bearish breakout as a failed one on this price level. But we have 3 more weeks until this month ends, so everything is still open, so we need to see lower time frames as a weekly and also daily time frame. On the weekly, we can see after the price has made a bearish breakout to the downside, this has been confirmed and the price returned and reached this area here, which is a confluence of support and resistance. So 102.17 was very close to the price, where the price reached 102.36. Then the price has returned back up, now reaching again 104.22. So the price is trying to make a breakout to the upside on this price level, and is what it looks right now. The price has found enough strength to close the price above 103.73. So the next one that the price needs to break on the weekly time frame is 104.22, which is a very important level. We can see it here. For that, we need to watch what happens on the daily time frame, because currently this is something that is not very clear what could happen next week. So if we go to the daily time frame, we can see what is happening. The price reached this supply zone, bouncing back down, then return back up, and this Friday candle is currently attacking again this supply zone. So there is no clear movement, at least for me, on the market, so I need to wait what happens next week around this 104.22 resistance level. Will it hold and the price bounce back down, retrace and continue to fall down, or it will make a breakout to the upside, what we can see it here. But usually what happens, US index is going against US 30 and also other, for example, like NASDAQ. This means there is a potential bullish breakout here on the market. But until that happens, I'm still waiting outside of the market and watching what happens. So if you would like also to check what is my entry idea for the next week with the stop loss take profit, you can also check my trading channel on the website getnowtrading.com. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.